We are back in the desert. More on that later. What's happening over here?
I'm improvising. So we love our gas one stove.
Yes.
But for some reason, it's sort of dripping out like liquid propane. Well, that's not a good sign.
Nah.
It's not burning right. We're gonna make some scones. Roger wants scones, we gotta make scones. I grew up cooking over a campfire a lot. I've cooked everything from pancakes to fish to all kinds of meat.
Never a scone.
I've never baked on a campfire, so I'm really gonna make scones today, whether they're gonna be burnt or raw, but this camp oven is going on that fire once I get a nice bed of coals. I plan on a bike ride today and I need some scone energy.
Fuel.
So I gotta get a bit of coals going, we'll see what happens.
Okay, we're gonna try it.
Oh, pistol.
Here they go.
Smoked scones.
Smoked scones. Actually, the smoke's kind of dissipated. We got some nice hot coals.
I'm gonna lower it down on those coals here.
Okay. I think you got this. Okay, the coals are looking good. Maintaining 425, which is what we need, but it was at like 3 1/4, 350 for quite a while, so.
Yeah, I needed a bigger bed of coals, so to get it hot, I had to put more wood in there, which got it pretty smoky. So, one, I have to clean all that soot off the camp oven, and two, they might be smoked scones. But we could do the second batch in here, where we just get a bigger fire with no oven, get a really good bed of coals, and then, because there's no smoke once the coals are there, it's setting really nice, so that would have been the way to go. But we only have one more batch. I'm thinking your idea of trying a really low heat in the pan, like a pancake in the van on the induction.
Yeah.
Cover them.
So I think I'll use the non-stick, and I might put a tiny bit of butter in it.
That we'll know which is the best way without the camp oven.
Put it in, and then just cook them like a pancake, but put a lid on it maybe. Oh, I wonder if I could do them in the Instant Pot too. I don't know, too many variables. I want to be able to look at it and see. I have no clue how I do it in the Instant Pot.
Maybe we get another camp oven, and this one now is a smoker.
Ooh,
we could smoke,
yeah.
I could smoke fish in here.
Smoke some meat.
But I wouldn't want to use it for the same one. I either got to clean it or use it for smoking. But that'd be kind of neat. We could make jerky and smoke salmon.
Well, we need a new gas one anyway, so.
You'd think Coleman would send us one after all the
Well.
info we put out
Maybe
there.
Maybe they don't know we exist.
Probably not.
I think we're waiting 2 more minutes.
No, right now it's 20
Oh,
minutes.
let's check.
Oh.
So we think they do have to go longer.
Okay, I need to.
Yeah, they did go longer because it was at a lower temperature for a while. Oh, uh-huh. Definitely smoked. Should probably pull those out.
You're not done though, are they?
I don't know.
Let's just let them set. It's not smoking. Just let them cool off in there and see what happens.
Okay. They're a little black on top. Or green almost. Okay, I don't think that's going to be very successful, so I'm going to start in here and see what I can come up with. Hi. You going to help me make scones? Okay. Okay, I put a little butter down. I only have it on 1. Oops, now 2. 1. I guess I should just flip it upside down and like slop it in like that, or what? I'm not going to separate them out. The pan's not big enough. Ready?
I'm ready.
Now, I think I'll just cover that. See what happens. Can't be worse than whatever's going on out there.
Oh, smoky.
Yeah.
Those are like campfire biscuits.
Oh, they're done though. I mean, that part's right. Wow. Those are incredible. You're just going in. Smoke and all. Are they good? They are? Oh my god. Do they taste weird?
I didn't pull off the top bunch, but I don't taste any smoke at all.
Wow.
They're just a slight bit.
Yeah.
Look at that though.
Wow, those are actually cooked to perfection.
You want some?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Look at that.
My god.
We got some cleanup to do, some soot on the oven, but
You know what? These taste like the best ones we've ever made. I'm not kidding. We normally just put all the dough in one pan and don't separate it out like scones.
I need more coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I can smell the smoke, but that's just from that.
So I'm pretty much probably ruining these in the frying pan right now. Let me go check. I don't want to open the lid. Things are happening. It's warming up. Wonder if I should put it on to 2. It's definitely fluffing up more. Check it out. Steaming, which I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But since I put it up to 2, it's puffing up quicker. Do you think that's good? Should I flip it? I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna try and flip it.
Oh.
I think it's time. I just don't wanna, I'm trying to put a little bit of butter on it so it doesn't, yeah, see, it's not so sticky.
There you go.
And oh, it's looking very scone-like. I'm super scared. I gotta do it quick, right? It's gonna break.
It's gonna splat.
Are you ready? Oh! I'm just gonna leave that where it lies.
There you go.
Wow, that actually looks pretty good.
Scone cake.
Okay. Not bad.
Scone cake.
We're impressing ourselves today.
I can't believe we show people this kind of stuff.
Listen, it works.
Yeah.
Oh, I tasted a piece of it. It's almost done. Just gotta cook the other side.
All right.
This is what they turned out like. These are the oven ones that we cooked over the flame. Not bad, huh? And these are the ones we cooked in the frying pan.
Scone cake.
Scone cake.
How is it?
Yeah, I don't really know.
Mine I already tasted.
Yeah, we've tasted the oven ones. They are delicious.
Looks good.
Scone cake also good. More dense.
I was just gonna say a little denser.
But
Not better or worse.
I don't mind that. These will all be eaten. Good girl.
She would have to taste both and see what she likes.
Yeah, which does she prefer? I'm guessing she does not care. Okay,
You
so
want more? Later.
later.
We'll talk now. Put the scones.
Back to where we are. Yes, we are in the desert. This is Quartzon Penal County Park. Is that what I said? Yeah. This is off I-8, and
Quartzon West Penal Park.
It's near Casa Grande, right?
Mucho Grande.
I think so. And it's $10 a night. There's no services here, but we don't need services, so that really works out. And it's just a mile off the freeway, so you do get some freeway noise, but we picked a spot that was kind of further away. And it's a great park.
We've been here a couple times.
Yeah.
Last time we were here, we're the only people in the campground. This time, yesterday and today, I think there's the camp host, which I don't recall a camp host last time.
Oh yeah, that's new.
There's camp host that direction, and then one other Class A that direction. So other than that, it's a huge park, and it's empty because I think there's you know, so much free BLM land that since this place doesn't have any water, they do have porta potties, but
Yeah.
Sometimes it's nice to have a picnic table.
We wanted that picnic table.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the sun is shining. It's not necessarily getting hot yet, but
Well, it was mid-60s yesterday, and today it's supposed to be 68. But at night it gets down to 35.
yeah.
But typical desert winter.
Yeah, it cools off quick. I'm going to make chili today. We have some leftover steak that I'm gonna chop up and make chili with, and you are going for a bike ride.
I am. There's a lot of little, not like technical trails, but there's a bunch of trails throughout the park, and just nice to go ride the bike in the sun again. It's been a while.
Feels good to relax. We rolled out of there this morning, had a nice time.
I could have stayed there longer.
Yeah, we're on I-8, we're heading east, and we found some free water at a Love's, so we're filling our tank, and it's amazing. Water is the only thing we have to look for on the road, really.
Nope, no propane.
Yeah, we're good. I'm loving that. So carefree. So we're filling our tanks, we're heading east somewhere. You'll just have to wait and find out. But check out this sunset we caught last night. Carry on.
Carry on.